everyone, this is the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip hop dance online. We trust you're gonna get tons of value from this video. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe to our channel. We drop videos every Tuesday. In this video, you're gonna learn 90s party dance steps that's gonna turn heads wherever you go. You're gonna learn each step without music, and then after you learn each step, we're gonna try it with music. Then at the very end, we're gonna put each of those steps together to perform as a sequence. Let's go. The first step we're gonna do is called the BART Simpson, and it looks like this. All right, we're gonna break it down into 3 parts: the legs, the chest, and the arms. So with the legs, you're gonna basically just step side to side. You're going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. With the chest, you're gonna open the chest out and you're gonna rock up 1, 2, 1, 2. But when you step, your chest is gonna go the direction that you step. So for example, you're not just stepping or using your torso like this. You're gonna do a mini lead or twist in the hip and torso to move in the direction that you go. Twist, up, twist, up, twist, up, twist, up. So for the first arm placements is gonna go horizontal or parallel to the floor like this. The second position, it moves up into that football field goal position like this. Then you do it to the other side. Together with the legs, the torso, and the arms, it looks like this. All right, now let's try it to music, and we're gonna do 2 8 counts for the BART Simpson. Let's go. The second move we're gonna do is called the FILA, and it looks like this. So let's start with the lower body and then we'll do the upper body. The lower body, you're basically going to step, step, step. On that third step, you're gonna hop and land on the same foot. Then you do it on the other side, step, step, step. When you're on that other foot or that left foot, we're gonna hop. So putting it together, both sides, it's like this: right, left, right, hop, left, right, left, hop. So with the torso, you're gonna lead with the shoulder and elbow towards the direction you move, but it's the opposite foot. So if you're stepping with the right foot, it's your left arm that moves. So if I'm stepping with my right foot, it's my left arm that moves. When I step with my left foot, my right arm moves. And then I do it again. And then when you hop, you clap your hands, and it looks like this. Now notice how my torso is also involved. So I don't stay in the front, I allow my torso to shift. And I almost want to show the back towards the side. So I'm not staying like this, I'm twisting and turning. And then when you clap really big above the head. Okay, so let's try it slow, both sides 4 times, like this. All right, let's put that with music. Here we go. The third move we're gonna do is called the prep, and it looks like this. So we're gonna break this down with legs, torso, and arms. So with the legs, we're gonna do 2 each side. And again, you could do different variations, single, single, double, or singles, but for now, we're just gonna do 2. So we're gonna bring our knee up, knee up, knee up, knee up, knee up. With our torso, whenever we bring our knee up, we're gonna lean back. So we're gonna go lean back. Now let's add the knee. Lean back, lean back. One more time each side, and lean back. Now with the arms, it's almost like a wax on, wax off, but instead of a circle, it just goes straight up and down. So we're just alternating our arms in this waxing motion, if you will, and it looks like this. So now we're gonna do that each side, 2 each side. When we do 2 knees up, we're gonna wax on, wax off twice, like this. So I have my elbows close to me. So when I do that wax on, wax off motion, I don't have my hands and elbows like this. I kind of keep my elbows close to me as I go up and down in that motion. So let's try it again slow. 2 8 counts. We're going 5, 6. Again. All right, let's do it to music. The 4th step we're gonna do is called a slick Rick, and it looks like this. So we're gonna break it down in 3 elements. Again, we're gonna go legs, torso, and arms. So with the legs, we're traveling side to side, and our legs are going single, single, double in terms of lifting the foot up. In other words, if we're traveling to the right, we step to the right, lift our left foot up. That's what I'm referring to as single, single, double. Okay? So if we're gonna travel the step, it looks like this. Lifting our left foot up, we're going single, single, double, single, single. We're traveling side to side, single, single, double, single, single, double. Now the torso, whenever you step up, you're doing the rock down, okay? So whenever we step up, we do the rock down, 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 down. So again, every time our heel comes up, our torso goes down. Every time the heel goes up, our torso goes down. Just the torso. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The arms can almost do whatever they want. I'm just for now gonna demonstrate a swinging and opening motion, but you can essentially kind of do your own freestyle with however you feel. So I'm gonna play with a cross open motion like this. The fun part about doing freestyle hip hop steps or party dance steps, that there's no law in the way it's supposed to look. When you start to feel comfortable with it, you can start adding your own styles and your own signatures to it. So now let's try it to music, 2 8 counts, both sides. Here we go. The last step we're gonna do is called the RoboCop, and it looks like this. So we're gonna break this down into 3 sections: legs, torso, and arms. Pretty much all the steps we've been doing today. So with the legs, you're going in and out, and you're doing that with the balls of your feet. So you wanna be on the balls of your feet to go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. We're gonna do a single double motion. So we're gonna go in, 1, in, 2, then double, in, out, then double. Next, we're gonna do the arms. It has a lot of layers to it. So the first one is like, imagine your elbows are out, palms are facing down, and you're holding a broom, and it looks like this. Second, you're gonna imagine alternating your arms from going parallel to perpendicular. Then you're gonna switch the opposite arm, going parallel to perpendicular. You're gonna be here, one arm up, like you have still the broomstick in your hand, right? So we're gonna try it. We're gonna start first with the left arm going up. You're going up, box, up, box, up, box, up, box. Okay, we're gonna do the same motion, single, double, looks like this. Prep, and now when we prep, the and, it's starting on the and. So, and 1, and 2, same side, and 3, repeat, and 4, other side, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let's try that one more time, adding the knees. So we're going, starting up here, and again, when we try it, when we're alternating side to side, we don't wanna shift our arms doing this. We wanna make sure that the broomstick stays straight in one line. Try it with the legs and arms, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now we're gonna add the torso. So we're shifting, we're accenting, going side, side, double. And what's happening, it's a hip torso isolation. And I'm using my shoulder, the direction I'm moving, to accent. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm rocking a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of staying too much, you're still keeping that, but adding the rock to that step. Try it with me. 8 count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try it with music. All right, y'all, we're at the time we're gonna put it together. So the order is BART, SIMPSON, FILA, Prep, Slick Rick, and RoboCop. All right, let's put it together. Each move is gonna be 2 8 counts. Let's go. enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, we release one every Tuesday on this channel. If you want to take your training to the next level and save yourself time and energy, go ahead and apply to work with us, and you'll see the information down below.